Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode I have this cool amazing product right here in my hand, and basically what this is a wrist strap. So you can definitely use this to give some support for your wrist. If you guys already injured your wrist, this is super useful to kind of prevent it from getting injured even more. And for this one, it is adjustable, so that can make it looser or tighter, and you guys can use it in both hands if you guys want to. And if you take a look at the back part right here, you can see that there are some of the specs about the actual strap itself, what it's for and how to use it. It's super comfortable, has good support, easy to put it on. It has heat retention to help circulation. And this one is a over the thumb design, so you can have opening for your thumb to move it around and your fingers as well. And this one is also odor resistant as well. But first thing first, I'm actually opening the product to show you guys what it actually looks like and what comes in the package first. Alright, so I'm going to open it up. That is basically what it looks like inside. So you can see that there's the wrist strap inside, and that is basically everything inside there. So this is basically what it looks like right here. If you open it up, this is what it looks like, you can see. And you can just tighten it however you guys need to, just like this. And then it's all set. So you guys will definitely get a really good support for your wrist. I can definitely feel the support on the wrist right here, so that way I don't have to feel any pain or anything. It's kind of like a compression in a way if you guys kind of like feel the material on here. And like I mentioned, this is reversible, so you can use it on this side, you can use it on the other side as well. So you can definitely get that wrist support regardless of which side you guys plan on using it on. And obviously if it's too tight, you can loosen it up if you guys need to. But that is basically how you guys use the product itself. If you guys can see, it's super easy to use and super convenient, so you can bring this with you guys anywhere. So this is basically the one that we have right here, but there is a lot of other wrist supports out there as well. There are some of them like this one right here that can help with carpal tunnels. And the one that I just showed you guys, that one you can use it when you're sleeping as well. This one you guys can definitely use it for sleeping as well, but that one I believe is mainly meant for people who want to use it when they're sleeping. So that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that any kind of like wrist strap that's similar to this would definitely be really worth it. Especially like how I mentioned earlier, if you guys are doing something all day that involves your wrist, then these are super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have need one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for unboxing and testing the product itself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. It'll definitely help this video and channel out. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.